How to fix Netflix crashed or not working on Windows/phone/tablet/smart TVs. Here are some tips that you may try. 1. For phone/tablets users, restart your smartphone or tablets. Force closing all apps and rerun the Netflix app later. Update the Netflix app. Remove then reinstall the Netflix app. Get the latest firmware installed, for Android-based phones/tablets only. 2. For smart TVs users, sign out Netflix. 3. For Windows PC and Mac users, disable/remove, using the recommended uninstall tool in this video guide, antivirus software. Perform Windows updates.